Another video. Me and Christian and Carla behind, my sister in the camera. First time. If she's if she's doing a good job, let us know. Probably she's doing a horrible job. Alright, so
Happy
right now.
Easter!
Oh, happy Easter. Well, it's tomorrow. But anyways, today we're gonna take this cylinder head to the machine shop. But first, they told us to remove the sensors and thermostat housing. So pretty much we're just gonna do that real quick before they close. So yeah. So we'll get into the video right now. So we're taking these sensors off. We gotta take this one off now. Probably get new sensors, no? También. That'll rust it out too. Alright, the machine shop that we're gonna go take it, they told us we don't have to take the camshafts, they will do it for us and probably clean them up. But yeah, we're just gonna do that right now. And they told us it was gonna take like 2-3 days, so that's not bad. Okay, so everything's out. Alright, yeah, for sure, dude. For sure it's gonna get replaced. For sure. Yep. It's gonna get replaced. So anything after we get them back, it's more recommended to replace everything because it's already out and it's easier for us to install it back. So yeah. Oh fuck. Papi, Camila? She's doing the camera. No, she's doing it.
I want to vlog.
We get it almost every night. When that moon gets big and bright, we get it almost every night. When that moon gets big and bright, we get it almost every night. When that moon gets big and bright, we get it almost every night.
I want to vlog. I want to vlog.
I'm not gonna put everything. Chill. Saludos over there in Michoacán. Alright, so right now we're gonna go again, attempt to take this cylinder head to the shop, but we almost forgot to take these struts off. So, studs off. So right now Christian's doing that real quick, and then we'll be off to the shop right now. So yeah. Alright, so we just got here. We're gonna drop the head and we see what they say. So I don't think they will let us recording here. So yeah, so we'll see you right now in a few minutes. Alright, so yeah, we just dropped the head off, and right now probably we're gonna continue. We're still continue with this video when we get the head back. So it's gonna be, it looks like, I feel like the video is gonna be short, so we'll just put everything together in this video. So we'll continue to this video around again now. Alright, it's Thursday, and they said the head is ready, so it's not cracked. So we're gonna go pick it up and see how it turned out. Yeah, Christian? Yeah. Excited that it's not cracked? Yeah. Fuck yeah. Alright. There's the camera. Yeah. Alright, so I think I haven't said what's the plan for the E36, but me and Christian were thinking about it, and pretty much we're gonna turbocharge. Shit, stay away. LS swap. Fuck it, LS swap. No, Mopar that bitch up. Nah. Nah, but no. Yeah, we're gonna turbo it, but we're not gonna go crazy about horsepower right now.
The constant boost.
Not even 80. Nah, but anyways, That's too much. But anyways, we're not gonna go that crazy. Probably what, 8 or 9. It's not big or anything, but it'll be nice to have a turbocharged car, even though it's not making much boost. But it'll be cool to have one. So that's pretty much the plan for the E36. But later in the future, probably me and Christian probably get another M50 engine and do the whole, like, rebuild the whole thing, that will, and make it more
Forge internals.
What else? Cams on it. Make it strong so it could handle a lot of boost. Probably try to make 400, 500. And that's a lot for a little car. Even though it doesn't look little small, it's kind of small. I parked it with my friend Jose's Charger, and what's it called? Just between the Charger and the E36. It's fucking small. So yeah. But yeah, that's pretty much the plan for the E36. We're just gonna pretty much turbocharge it. I'm gonna order the parts already. Freaking water pump, head gasket with the kit and everything. What else? A starter, that's for sure. Fucking starter broke at the same time. So starter, thermostat. Oh, what else? And some sensors for the cooling sensor and they're both sensors, but yeah, pretty much that. But first, before we do that, we gotta clean up the block, take the material off on the surface of the block, and yeah, pretty much that's it. So we'll be there at the machine shop right now. We just got here. We're gonna go see what's up. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, we got it. It's ready to go. Clean. So pretty much it's gonna go on the head. He said that one of the valves was bent, but he replaced it with a used one, so it doesn't matter. So I think we're good to go.
Shout out to
Islandia.
What did I do, Christian?
What did I do? Ouch. But she's ready to go. So yeah. So for the probably in the following weeks, I'll order the parts so it could be ready. So yeah, I think this is the end for this video. So thank you for you guys who watch this video. I hope kind of you like it. Just pretty much how to get the head. Well, not pretty much how to, just the our process of rebuilding this car. Well, bring it back to life. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.